Hey, this is Mrs. J. We just finished making shape sheet number 2, the first shape. It looks like this. And I thought we could make a quick drawing sheet so you know how to do it for the rest of your project. So make sure you saved it. You hit the save button, you gave it a name. I gave it shape number 1 with my initial because I already have a shape 1 from the first shape sheet, so be careful there. I'm going to go over to File, New, Drawing, and then I want plain. I could use a template. I'm not familiar with this. So you know what? I'm going to go to the house button because I'm familiar with this. And I'm going to do this. It's probably the same thing, drawing, template. So I click the house, the little house right there. Click drawing sheet. They always take a little while to load. Remember that when you're taking certification testing. They take longer than this to load during that. All right, let's fix the sheet first and then save it and you can reuse it. So we want to get rid of ANSI large, but first let's change the sheet. Sheet 1 on the left side, right click, no right click, okay. Edit the sheet, change it to A. That's always a test question. Change it to A. A says 8.5 by 11. Okay. ANSI large, so this is our sheet. Down here we're going to delete this. Whoa, don't crash on me. What'd I do? Oh, it's crashing. Okay, delete this. Come on. Oh, I'm having an issue. I think here we go. Right click, delete. So on your mouse, right click, and then delete. Oh yeah, I see it's slow. Okay, and then let's add it back in. So we're going to come up for, these are all our templates. We'll go to the title blocks. We want regular ANSI A. Right click and insert. Maybe yours will work better than mine. Insert. Okay, that gives you your whatever number you're logged into your computer with, and you can always edit these to put in your info. All right, let's go to top left, base, and it is going to bring in whatever you have open. So I left my part open, but you can also find it here. You can go into your files and find it. That is my front view. That's how I made it. It says front right here. If you get the wrong view, just rotate it here. Don't worry about what the word says, just put the right view. I'm going to move it to the left. It always gives you the front view. The front view always goes on the left. Then just drag up. Left click, drag over, left click, drag down, left click, and then OK. I liked my scale 1:1. I can always change it. You don't want them too large or too small. We're going to take the isometric view and double click it in the blank space it has right in there. Blank space, double click. And we're going to click shaded. Hover, shaded. You don't see the change. It's unfortunate. It doesn't show you until you hit OK. And then it shows you whatever color you had. You should do 3 dimensions only. I know there's videos with a ton of dimensions. We don't need that right now. Annotate on the top tab on the left. Dimension. We want the overall width right here. So I clicked the corners. If I didn't click the corners, I'm only going to get one of these. See how it gives me just one of those? I don't want that. So dimension, click the corner, come down a little bit. It does not matter that they're too small. We can change it. We don't need to. I want the height. Top, drag. Sorry for the noise. And I want one more, the overall depth right here. Corner, drop down a little bit. There you go. That's it. If you do File, Save As, and call this Shape 1, you can come back and delete this, and this. If you delete this one, it takes away 3. And then just bring in your next part. You can reuse the sheet. Thanks for watching.